And now we're centred on Rydal Glowaway Square in Krakow, and it is a historic enclave that's framed by Planty Park. It's an old medieval square with its cloth market in the building with the arches behind me there, and it's Gothic St Mary's Church with a bugler comes out every hour. And it also has a relatively unknown underground museum that you go down and see old medieval Krakow, which we'll take you in shortly. The cloth market is now still got little stalls in there where they sell like souvenirs and stuff like that. The thing I like about it is it's got all the crests of the different cities and places in Poland. I'm just having a walk into it now. And swing the camera around. Here you can see all the crests. One of the other things of the square is it normally got lanes of horse-drawn carriages, and there's only one here the day. I know when we came yesterday there was a lot more. And it is one of the largest squares, medieval squares in Europe, I think. And that tower there with the clock on is the only remaining part of the old town hall. And yeah, I think you can go up to the top when it's open. And that's what the town hall used to look like.
What's that?
Thank you, you too.
And as you can see, you've got an abundance of restaurants all around the outside of the square. But it is one of the biggest tourist traps in Krakow. You've got all the guides And I dare say it's not too bad this time of year, but in the summer I reckon this place would be absolutely heaving. There's still quite a few people here. In front of us you've got St Mary's Church, and every hour on the hour in one of the top windows a bugler comes out and plays a traditional Polish bugle tune called a Helsel. I think that's how you say it, and he does it in 4 different windows, and it's in the direction of the 4 cardinals. It's a lovely church. And bang on time. 11 o'clock there he is. And he goes round the other 4 windows. He just stopped there. It's like an unfinished piece. And there he's waving. And then he'll go and shut the window and do it in one of the other windows. And this inconspicuous doorway leads to the underground. We're going to go in and have a look. Tickets cost 45 solitaire.
Welcome is downstairs. Yeah. But
these are old roads, cobbled roads.
Która już, uwaga, zaznaczam, po śmierci została związana linami.
A także wolnego Polaka, który aż dotąd mieszkał na wsi, aby nie wyludniały się wiejskie podwórki nasze, biskupie, kanoników lub oskarżyć Polaka diecezji krakowskiej. Będzie dochodził...
Well, that's quite a little exciting bit to see of the old medieval port. A lot of people bypass it. There's a few school kids going in and there. As you walk around the streets of the square and that, you'll see a lot of food vendors, especially a Krakow delicacy which is owanzanski, which is a round donut-shaped bread with sprinkles on, and sometimes they'll put on pizzas, sometimes it's sesame seeds, but it's only $3.50, which, yeah, give it a try. There's one thing you can do if you're in Krakow is have a walk up to Vassal Castle. You don't have to go in if you don't want to, but it's one of the best places to get a view of the surrounding cities. Today I haven't picked the best day to do it. It's a bit foggy, but at least it's warmer, which isn't so bad. It's in positive figures. But it's a nice little walk up and you can see quite a bit. Castle. It was a royal residence until about 1596. Probably still is in parts, for a King Sigismund III Valsa relocated to Warsaw, and with it the political centre changed from Krakow to Warsaw. It's a cathedral. Taking ours. Right, that's the old town. Now we're going to make our way down to the Jewish quarter. See if we can find the ghetto walls and Schindler's factory. And we'll carry on walking down this way. And you can see there was a bit of an art installation on this bridge. I think balancing axe and that. It's different. And this is monument for the ghetto heroes. All these chairs in a square that was once part of the Jewish ghetto. And this is a fragment of the Jewish ghetto wall, originally These would have been white, and it was from about 1941 to 1943. These are to keep the Jews inside. And this building here is Schindler's enamel factory, which is where the film Schindler's List is made from. And some photos on the wall there. Just get across. You can see people that were in here. I hope you enjoyed that little walk around the old town and the Jewish quarter. I didn't show a lot of Jewish quarter, but we'll be glad to get back to the apartment. A bit knackered now. If you like this video, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, give this video the thumbs up, hit that notification bell for future videos, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.